JCN guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, Excuse the background noise. TV on watching $1 million worth of game. But first things first is if you guys made it this far, supporting my channel, I want to thank you. Got some great news. Um, First time ever, the Telegram channel is up, live, and ready. Now, guys, if you guys want to know what I'm doing and things like that. Once again, you're going to have to be a part of that Telegram group. You're going to have to subscribe to that group. It's called the Cake Method. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Guys, if you want any additional information from me um, and getting up with me personally, that's where it's going to be at. Now, I am fairly new to Telegram. I've never used any one groups. I've never joined a group. I've never used Telegram before. Um, so I'm expecting it to be quite a bit of a learning curve. Now also keep in mind, guys, I do still work a regular 9 to 5 job um, regularly. Um, I work 40 hours a week like most of you guys, so I'm a regular person. Um, but that's enough being said. That link will be left in the description down below. So now let's dive into this method. I'm calling the cake method, this strategy. Guys, let me tell you something. I'm going to be uploading some screenshots here today. This method is so powerful. I've been working on it. I've been working on it. I've been working on it. I got it down to the T. Okay. Um, this method is so powerful. You're going to see my screenshots. I started off my live account today at 150. I took it all the way basically to about uh, 449, or actually 449, but you guys going to see the screenshot of 401, I believe. And in less than an hour, guys. Literally less than an hour. And I did that also all at work. And on top of that, I did that using just the chart that you see on the left hand side on my mobile phone. I didn't even use both charts. So this method is available to use on your mobile device and your mobile device alone, just using one chart. Now, to be more precise, yes, use your double charts. But yes, you can use it with one chart. With the line chart that you see set up on the left hand side with the purple and yellow moving averages, RFP to Kobe, you can just use that and run it up like I did. Okay? So I'm going to enter a couple of trades here. Let's look at my trade history real quick. Oh, look, I don't even got to do any scrolling. That's my trading history right now. Okay? I'm not even going to scroll down. Look at that. All right? That shows you how powerful this strategy is. Right there. Actually, I should not have entered that trade. I should not have entered that trade. That's going to be a losing trade, but that's okay. Um, I should not have entered right there, actually. But watch this, guys. Oh, you seen that? We're just going to go ahead and get this back, okay? We're going to get this to over $700. Right, right. I can stay on the same pair, actually. But this is the breakthrough method. You guys got to, now, if you want to be precise, okay? I literally just ended my streak right there. Look at that. Look at my streak. Just ended it right there. Okay? And let's see. Let's run it back up real quick. Okay? Let's run it back up. Okay? Real quick. Let's just get that money right back. Right in front of your face. Let's just get it all right back. Alright? Just like that, guys. Alright? Just like that. So, if you guys want this method, if you want the settings, if you want to know what I'm doing, guys, I'm telling you, you will not be let down. You guys, I just did it in front of your face. I lost 2 trades, basically entered a trade blindly just because. Lost it, got it back, basically risked the whole account. This is just my demo account. I do that stuff all the time. All the time. All right? Jungle Child Ned, I'm out. Peace.